Well, the first step in using the 3D printer is to design the part that you have in mind in a 3D CAD software. Here I have used SolidWorks, and as you can see, this is the part that I want to print today. After designing the part, you have to save the file in a specific format, which is .stl, and after saving the file, you can upload the file to the machine. The interesting thing about this machine is that you can access the machine through internet from anywhere, and you have to log in into the machine and fill in the information about the project, and then you have to upload the file that you have created with the CAD software that you have been using. Well, here you can arrange the part in a way that you want it, and you can also copy several versions of your part, so that you can have like more than one part in one fabrication. Now I'm gonna add rotate the file, and then put it wherever on the build pad. You know, the arrangement of the parts are very important, and they affect the time that it takes for the fabrication, and also sometimes the precision of the part depends on the arrangement of the part that has been used in this part. Okay, then we submit the job to the machine, and it will automatically start to generate support points for the part, and also it will divide the part to like layers, and it will upload the file to the machine. Well, at this point, the software is ready to start the job, but we also have to put the building pad in the machine, and I'm going to show you how.